Kevin Lombard here with Lombard Equipment. With me today I have our Chief Technical Advisor, Duke, assisting me. This is a Pro Spot SP-2. One of the best two-torch welders that was ever built. It really is a nice welder. It's very simple to use, and this welder is single-phase 220, packs 200 amps of welding power. Very, very user-friendly. As you can see with this welder, brand new torches, brand new tips, brand new nozzles, both sides. Brand new welding helmet. Even look at the ground, has hardly been used at all. It's in excellent condition. We have a brand new roll of aluminum wire, brand new protective cover in the bag. This is an option, this is an option, this is an option. This is a great welder for, it'll also do steel. This is set up for silicon, bronze, and aluminum, but you can do steel if you want. Normally the welder sells for almost $8,000, $47.95, takes it away. Great simple welder. Call the 800 number, buy this welder. It's an awesome, great value.